This is my grapevine. It comes through this hole down at the bottom. This is a Pinot Noir, and I got it trained up here on this. It's my second year on this vine. This one I don't like, it's behind. I wish it would have been in front. But I can take that one off for next year. Make sure, see, I like it like this, how I have these holders here. They can climb up. I need to put another line up here because they're getting a little tall. They're getting a little tall. They need to have some support up here. This one over here on the other side, same type, Pinot Noir. I gotta get rid of this one. I don't want this one here. Just pull it down and it'll snap off. There, just give it a twist. That one I don't want, and this one, take that off. Here's one down here. I don't want those on my stem coming up, but where it starts to branch, then it can. Here, got this little support up here. It's kind of it's wound its way around it. I want to make sure it goes straight as much as possible. Get some support on this thing. There. Get my coat out of the way. But you can see how this is the end of the vine here. It comes up. And there's my grapes. It's doing pretty well. But yeah, there you go. My grapes, year 2. These are carrots. They are going to flower, going to seed, and we'll just keep an eye on these. I want to collect the seed so I can plant more carrots. They're a Nana variety, something like that. Yeah. Interesting. They've been growing all year, about a year long, 12 months or so. Yeah.